And thank you so much for staying with the KTN News Desk. Let's now continue with our coverage. And the Green Thinking Action Party of Kenya leader Dr. Isaac Kalua now says that the national and county governments don't seem to be paying attention to the upcoming El-Nino despite warnings by the Kenya Meteorological Department on the veracity of the waters to be expected. Speaking at a press conference organized by the party on the awareness of the impending rains, the environmentalist wants both levels of government to move from talks to action within the shortest time possible, noting that most of what is being shown now is cosmetic, drawing parallels from the disaster witnessed in Libya that led to the collapsing of 2 dams that has so far led to deaths of thousands of people. Dr. Kalua says that the disaster should be a wake-up call.
I have a very honest view that the government is not doing enough about the El-Nino, because the government is you and I. The government is each one's responsibility to be taken up. There needs to be more awareness. There needs to be information on the challenges that are expected. There needs to be awareness on what crops need to be done. There needs to be one voice from the government, as it were. Every ministry, every county government, we need to have crisis meetings at this early stage by governors, by the county COG, to be able to agree on the course of action. We need to have funding that is well designed to support the mwananchi in this kind of a process. So there needs to be a lot at the government, the county government level. There needs to be a lot at the national government level. There needs to be a lot in the media houses in communicating this message, because lives are saved now when there is no rain. The lives to be saved thereafter is something else. It may be too late. In the slums, we need to have clear ways where rescue units can be able to pursue, to get their ways into those places. This is the time to move out of the encroachments on the rivers. This is the time to start thinking on what must be done immediately, because it's a big thing. It is sad that after such warning that we have, we will soon be crying as a country.
Right, Elsa, the government is set to ban the importation of shoes from next